Your car doesn't rust from the outside in, it rots from the inside, and they knew it. So engineers built something that physics said couldn't work.
Every car body rolling off the line looks solid, sealed, impossible to reach inside. You spray paint a door, you coat what you can see, but hollow frame rails, box sections, cavity. No spray gun fits, no brush can reach that deep. So your car should rot from the inside while you sleep. But here's the thing, they cracked back in the 60s. They drowned the whole car in electric paint, dip it in a tank and charge it like a battery. Every hidden seam, every hollow frame, the paint finds its way because the current does the same. Electrophoresis, yeah, the same force that moves your DNA is why your car frame doesn't rot away. The bath is 85% water, just 15% paint, but give that body a negative charge and watch it. Every particle races toward the metal coating surfaces. Spray guns could never settle, and when it's thick enough, the paint stops itself. Race resistance redirects, coats everything else. 1/5 the width of a human hair, that's all it takes. That thin film is the reason your car frame lasts decades. Over 75% of every car built on Earth has been baptized in this electric bath at birth. 10 to 12-year corrosion warranties, that's real. All because electricity coats what you can't feel. Now every time you drive past a Rust Belt beater, you'll know they skip the electric bath. Send this to someone who thinks paint is just paint, because your car is basically a giant battery.